This is our computerized adapter tester, 4-channel adapter tester. You can test any adapter with four adapters. This instrument you have line regulation and load regulation. It's a computer control base where you can put 4 adapters to the equipment. You can load it at different loads of 2 amps maximum and check. First we will start with a general test. You have to load the file, a test data file. A test data file is one which contains all the parameters that has to be tested on the particular part. This is a screen for testing, test screen. Started testing. Like this, you have a no load, half load, full load, short. You can apply this for any channel and you get this results like this. And this is if it's a green LED, it means that that particular channel is passed, and if all the channels are passed, you'll get a final pass. Now I will show you how to create a test data file. This is a test data file where you create a chart that indicates all the parameters that you're interested in testing. First test is a test name. Test name is a name that you give for the particular test and that will not affect the testing procedure. And function is the parameter what you wanted to test. It's a load or a line regulation. It's a DC side or AC side. In this particular model you have two options. One is load regulation, that is only at the load side you can put no load, half load and full load. And line regulation, it's a higher end model where you have an option of changing the AC side in 4 different fixed steps. Then you can indicate what is the load value. Like this, you create a chart, and when you test it, you can know whether the part is pass or fail.